Welcome every single body. Hello, if you all are over here, I want you to all quickly just put on chat that I'm here and I'm alive. Just type alive if you're alive right now. I just want to see that all of you are over here right now, and let's get started. Everybody on the chat, alive. Great. It's good to know that. Nice. Perfect. So great. Welcome everyone. I'm excited to invite you all to the Date with Fate book launch event. I'm sure you'll be fascinated with the value that this book holds within to transform your life experience. Now, before starting the event, I would love to announce that we are going to give away special prizes for 5 winners who are super active throughout the event by posting their comments over here. So cheer up, super active for the next 1 hour. And if you are excited and you will be active, just type in active right now on the chat box. Everybody, active. Come on, let's get started. Nice.
ஐம்பது பேர் வந்திருக்காங்க. 50 பேர் வந்திருக்காங்க. இல்ல இப்பதானே ஆரம்பிச்சு ஒரு மணி நேரம் இருக்கு ப்ரோக்ராம். வந்துட்டே இருக்காங்க, நிறைய பேர் வந்துட்டே இருக்காங்க.
Other persons.
Mute their. Can everybody mute their voices?
You can also mute it, Darshil. Just try it now from your end.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Great. So now, Date with Fate. Now, what is Date with Fate? Now, Date with Fate is a self-help book with a simple 4-step power success formula that will empower mothers to lead a balanced life. Every mother is beautiful and she has her own purpose, her needs, her aspirations, her passions, and the journey, which are beyond her defined responsibilities. So you are committing when you give birth to a child. But does this mean you should sacrifice your dreams, postpone them, or lead an unbalanced life because of your responsibilities? No, you don't have to. Can you have a well-balanced life, personal and professional life? Yes, you can. It doesn't matter if you're a first-time or experienced mother, but if you want to lead an empowered lifestyle to create your own destiny, come Date with Fate to see what happens within the next 2 actionable months. So if you're excited, just type in excited and let's play the trailer of the book to see what's coming your way. Are you all excited for the trailer? That's amazing. So let's get started.
Are you a mother with a lot of guilt? Are you blaming your fateful life? Are you finding it difficult to manage work and life well? After facing all this myself, I, Aishwarya Lakshmi, have distilled my experiences in my book, Date with Fate, to an effective power success formula. It is for supermoms to get empowered to lead by example the life of their dreams with abundance of love and inspiring power balance. For you to rewrite your future consciously by decoding your unique life lessons, to teach great values to your kids by living them on your own. What gets tracked will produce results. This formula is designed with tangible action maps to track your progress with effective principles and strategies to create magical moments and self-transformation. Dare not to make the costly mistake by losing another golden opportunity to become your best self. Grab the pre-release copy of the book with 50% discount by showing up for the book launch even through Zoom. Am I going to introduce you to a divine angel to transform your life? Go date with fate to see what happens.
How did you all find this very beautiful trailer? If you all thought that was extremely magical and it was extremely powerful, just type magical. Just type in magical. I absolutely love this trailer because from every single thing, it just gives a beautiful clarity on how a mother can go forward and do a certain things in the right way and get the life that she wants. So now, before I get much more deep into what this book is all about, which I will, wait for it, let's start this event and let's continue this event with a wonderful Mahakavi Subramania Bharatiyar song sung by Mrs. Madhuvanti. So if you're all ready to listen to this beautiful and very empowering song, I want you all to type Shakti and let's get this started. Shakti, great. Amazing. So now I think it's time for us to get started.
நெஞ்சுக்கு நீதியும் தோளுக்கு வாழும் நிறைந்த சுடர்மணி பூம் நெஞ்சுக்கு நீதியும் தோளுக்கு வாழும் நிறைந்த சுடர்மணி பூம் பஞ்சுக்கு நேர் பல துன்பங்களாம் இவள் பார்வைக்கு நேர் தரும் தீ பஞ்சுக்கு நேர் பல துன்பங்களாம் இவள் பார்வைக்கு நேர் பெரும் தீ வஞ்சனையின்றி பகையின்றி சூதின்றி வையகமாந்தர் எல்லாம் வஞ்சனையின்றி பகையின்றி சூதின்றி வையகமாந்தர் எல்லாம் தஞ்சம் என்றே ஒரு பேரவள் பேர் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் தஞ்சம் என்றே ஒரு பேரவள் பேர் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் நம்புவதே வழி என்ற மறைத்தனை நாம் என்று நம்பிவிட்டோம் நம்புவதே வழி என்ற மறைத்தனை நாம் என்று நம்பிவிட்டோம் கும்பிட்ட நேரமும் சக்தி என்றால் உன்னை கும்பிடுவேன் மனமே கும்பிட்ட நேரமும் சக்தி என்றால் உன்னை கும்பிடுவேன் மனமே அம்புக்கும் தீக்கும் விடத்துக்கும் நோவுக்கும் அச்சம் இல்லாதபடி அம்புக்கும் தீக்கும் விடத்துக்கும் நோவுக்கும் அச்சம் இல்லாதபடி உம்பர்க்கும் இன்பர்க்கும் வாழ்வு தரும் பதம் ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் உம்பர்க்கும் இன்பர்க்கும் வாழ்வு தரும் பதம் ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் வெள்ளை மலர் மிசை வேத கருப்பொருளாக விளங்கிடுவாய் வெள்ளை மலர் மிசை வேத கருப்பொருளாக விளங்கிடுவாய் தெள்ளு கலை தமிழ் வாணி நினக்கொரு விண்ணப்பம் செய்திடுவேன் தெள்ளு கலை தமிழ் வாணி நினக்கொரு விண்ணப்பம் செய்திடுவேன் எள்ளத்தனை பொழுதும் பயனின்றி இராதெந்த நாவினிலே எள்ளத்தனை பொழுதும் பயனின்றி இராதெந்த நாவினிலே வெள்ளம் என பொழிவாள் சக்தி வே சக்திவேல் 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 வெள்ளம் என பொழிவாள் சக்திவேல் 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 சக்திவேல்.
So, how powerful was that song? How powerful was that song? Every single person who found it extremely, extremely powerful, please type in powerful. So for me personally, I didn't understand this song at the first time. But when I did understand it, it is so, the reason why I found it so absolutely beautiful is because it shows the kind of resilience and grit that every single woman requires and has in herself. Now, we all know this one fact about mothers, right? Mothers give and give and give and do so much for every single person and expect very, very little out of it. That's just something what a mother is about. That's why people love mothers. But over here, what if the whole concept and why we play this song, why this song in particular, is because of the way it beautifully relates with the entire book which Aishwarya has written over here. Because when people have this kind of, when mothers have the same kind of Shakti and the energy, what if mothers use the same kind of an energy and Shakti in the right direction and did the right things which can give them the life that they truly, truly, truly want? Wouldn't that be brilliant, mothers? Every mother in the room, if you think that would be something brilliant for you and impactful for you in your life, just type brilliant. Amazing. Thank you, Bildu. Great. So, I hope so far within this entire journey we are having right now, this journey that we have started, so far all of you are enjoying it so far. And now we're going to go forward. Okay, now it's time for the book launch, guys. How excited are you all? At least I am. And now let's invite our author, Aishwarya's honorable chief guests, to do the honors for us. Her father, Mr. Shanmugam, her brother, Selvakumaran, and his family from Chennai is excited and waiting for all of us over here. So spotlight to Mr. Shanmugam and family. So can we have Mr. Shanmugam here? Can you quickly have you give a hands up so I can quickly put you on spotlight? Great. Let's put them on spotlight. Awesome. Thank you so much for coming over here. And now we can't wait for you to cut the ribbon and thank you so much for being a part of this beautiful journey of Aishwarya's career, this book launch of hers. So, overall to you.
Selva, can we have Kasturi also? Yeah. Kasturi and all the other family members, please do join. Please.
This is brilliant.
Please do join. Other family members, please do join. Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, we can have the ribbon cutting. So yeah,
I know all of you are there over on the other side of it, and I want you all to clap along with us. Everyone clap along. This is brilliant. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. So if you'd like to say any words for Aishwarya, this is the time for you to go forward.
thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
வாழ்த்துக்கள் ஐஸ்வர்யா, வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Chitappa. Thank you so much.
அனைவரின் நல்ல ஆசீர்வாதம் உங்களுக்கு என்றும் இனிதே உண்டு.
Congrats ka.
Congrats, Aishwarya. Congrats, Aishuka. Congrats, Aishu. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
வணக்கம் வணக்கம் வணக்கம். நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Congratulations ஐஷு. வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Congrats, Aishu.
Congratulations ஐசு, சூப்பர் ஐசு.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Congrats ஐஷு.
வாழ்த்துக்கள் ஐஸ்வர்யா, லட்சுமி. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Congratulations,
God bless
Aishu.
you, dad.
God bless you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Congrats ஐஸ்வர்யா.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congrats Aishwarya. Happy to see you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all your blessings.
Congratulations.
Wishes.
All the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So now, it's time for us to invite. I'm just going to remove you off the spotlight, Mr. Shanmugam. Thank you so much for being here. So now it's time for us to introduce the next best people in Aishwarya's life. So now let's invite Mr. Saktivel and Mrs. Chitra from Coimbatore to do the honors. So now let's quickly put them on spotlight and let's do the ribbon cutting and get their blessings. Yeah, and all of you, let's clap once again. So if you can just raise your hands up, I'll quickly put you on spotlight. Just can you ask them to unmute themselves?
Mama, உங்களை unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, we will have the ribbon cutting and then we can do it.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
Okay, clap along when this happens, okay? Once more, everyone. Let's hear the loud claps. Everyone, unmute yourselves.
Congratulations.
Hey, there's more.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
This is brilliant. So now,
Yes.
புத்தகம் அனைவருக்கும் பயனுள்ளதாக இருக்கும் என்று நான் நம்புகிறேன். அனைவரும் படித்து பயன்பெறுமாறு வேண்டி விரும்பி கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். வணக்கம், நன்றி.
Thank you, Mama. Nandri.
thank you so much. So I'll take them off spotlight now. So now, wasn't that very heartwarming and very, it's a feel-good thing to see families make an effort, right? Even when, like, they don't know they're not technologically equipped, they're just there when you need them. And that's very brilliant over here. I'm so glad that they could finally make it over here. So I just want to mention, like, it's always this beautiful feeling to have family to be in a part of our journey, right? It's very important in those big moments in life, we need family the most. And at that moment, like those little moments where you realize that not everybody is blessed to have the kind of support that certain people have with their family, it makes us all the more grateful. And which is what I find very heartwarming about you, your family, your parents coming in and doing this ribbon cutting. So now I want to get forward and speak and bring in the people who have sculpted Aishwarya in her journey of life as she was moving forward, and for her to become the super mom that she is, and for her to be able to put in all of this effort to going forward and impacting so many other people's lives on this journey. So now let's quickly invite Aishwarya's brilliant mentors from Chennai. So first, let me invite to you over here, Dr. Girish. Now, Dr. Girish is a relationship and energy healer. He's the founder of Human Connection and co-founder of Beyond You, and the author of the bestseller book, The Marriage Mantra. A book that sounds like something I want immediately, and I'm not even married. And his wife over here, Mrs. Jyotsna Ramachandran, who is an author success coach, is the founder of Happy Self Publishing, the director of Beyond You, and she's also the author of amazing book, Pop Escape Plan. So let's invite the power couple to do the honors for us. So Mr. Girish and Jyotsna, I would love to put you on spotlight over here and any words that you have on this journey for Aishwarya. So if you're ready, just put your hands up and I'll quickly put you on spotlight. Yes, done. Great.
Hey
Welcome.
Aishwarya, congratulations.
Congratulations, Aishwarya. All the best. God bless
Thank you so much. Thank you
We
so
are so
much.
happy to be in this part of your book launch. Thank you so much for inviting us. All the best.
Thank you, Girish. Remember, Aishwarya, in one of Beyond You seminars, I think 1.5, 2 years back, when you met me for the first time, you said that one day I want to become an author. So many people tell this, Aishwarya. So at that time, I didn't take it seriously, but I've seen your journey in the last 1 year. And I'm so proud and happy that today we are witnessing your book launch. And I know what has been your up and down in the last year, and moving to a new country while having a small baby. That itself is a full-time job. And in spite of that, you've taken out time to write this brilliant book. And one more important thing is, usually I tell right in our academy that you have to choose a topic that's very, very specific to one audience. But in your case, Aishwarya, I'm so glad that this book is going to reach to so many more people. It's not specific to one small niche. It's actually mothers, which is like half of the world. And I'm so glad that you've written something that's going to impact so many people and help them, become happier and more powerful, become super moms like you. So thanks, Aishwarya. So let's do the cutting. Thank you so much.
Clap together. Can all of us clap together right when this is happening together?
Yay! Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Amazing. So thank you so much, Girish and Jyotsna. Thank you so much for being over here. And now let's take you off the spotlight and let's mention the next two people who have shaped Aishwarya's career and her life in a very profound manner. So now let's quickly give them an introduction. So we are inviting over here Mr. Ganesh and his wife Lavanya. So Ganesh is an emotional alchemist. He's an emotional intelligence coach and a trainer and the co-founder of Beyond You and the founder of EQ Universe. He's also the best-selling author of the book, The Power of Emotions. And his wife, Ms. Lavanya Ganesh, is the founder of the Soulful Spaces and the director of Beyond You. So now, thank you so much, Ganesh and Lavanya, for being over here. I'm going to quickly put you on spotlight and let's do the ribbon cutting and let's see what you have to say for Aishwarya today. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much for having us here, Aishwarya. உங்களுக்கு எப்படி சந்தோஷமா அதே மாதிரி எங்களுக்கு மிக மிக சந்தோஷம் இந்த ஒரு புக் லான்ச் ஈவென்ட்ல பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்றது. It gives us immense pleasure. I went through the entire book. I was able to see how much of passion you have put into the book. Right? எப்போது ஐஸ்வர்யா நாங்க நினைக்கும் போது ஐஸ்வர்யானா questions அப்படின்றது தான் எங்களுக்கு ஞாபகம் வரும். So the entire book had lots and lots of questions which really triggers the participants' mind when they're reading it. And every time they are able to answer that questions for themselves, they will be able to figure about themselves. And I really wanted to wish you on this journey. And I could see a part of you inside this book, the pains that you had gone through, the issues that you faced in your life, your experience about your family, your mother, all that was coming out very strongly. And every person who's looking for answers, if they go through this book, I believe by answering themselves for each of those questions and going through the process that you mentioned, they'll be able to find answers. One particular quote, somewhere deep down at the end of the book, I was able to find, right, from Mark Antony had mentioned, right, almost I think this was the conclusion piece that you had given, but it says, and one day she discovered that she was fierce and string and full of fire, and she couldn't hold herself back, because the passion burned brighter than her fears, right? And I think this journey of you, right, whatever ups and downs that you went through in bringing out this book, is you conquering your own fears and your own challenges. And I believe this is just a start of a big milestone for you. I wish that this message goes and reaches out to people. In the journey of helping more and more people, I wish you help yourself also. And may this fire make a big difference to all the people out there, right? So thank you so much for inviting us. And
thank you so much, Aishwarya, for giving us the opportunity to be part of your book launch. It gives us immense pleasure to take part in a very happy moment of your life. You know, to be a part of it, to be a role of it, does mean a lot to me as well. And I've had the opportunity to see a glimpse of the book. And I must say the introduction and the first chapter itself strikes a deep chord within. And it did move me to tears, and it did show the pain that you have gone through. So your book definitely resonates with a mother like me, and I'm sure it's going to resonate with many more mothers out there who do not know where to start and how to help themselves. So I'm wishing you the best for this journey, all the very best, and we will also do the honors of cutting the ribbon. Yeah.
So we're gonna do it in a different way, okay? So we're gonna remove the strings that the women have put on themselves, right? So
yes.
Book we can select.
Let's clap our hands once again.
Thank you.
Yay. All the best, Aishwarya.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your lovely words, wishes. Thank you so much. I'm so fortunate to have you and Girish family together with me as my mentors. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ganesh, and thank you so much, Lavanya, for being over here. Thank you for spreading your energy and your wishes. It means a lot. Thank you so much. I'm just going to quickly take you on the spotlight. So, now this was so wonderful. And to have your mentors be over here, to be supporting you on this journey, Aishwarya, you're truly blessed. And I'm so glad that everything is working out so well for you. Now, yes, definitely it is a milestone achievement for the author, Aishwarya, to publish her first book today. But can all of this happen without a strong support? Can a fine sculpture be carved without a little chisel? Now, she also complete empowerment journey to her husband and her sweet little son, Muthukumaran. Her husband Karthikeyan, the silent hero behind the scene, and her son Muthukumaran, the director of his mother's transformational journey. So let's invite them to the spotlight right now to do the honors for the Date with Fate book. So if you're all excited for the power couple and for Aishwarya to come in, just type in "come in already." Just type in "come in already." So spotlight to the hubby and the baby right now. Yes, spotlighting you all. Amazing. Welcome. I should, yeah, that's better. Welcome over here. Can't wait for this to happen.
Thank you so much, everyone, for joining this book launch event. We are so happy with your blessings. Let this book reach us to millions of people. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Congratulations, Aishwarya.
Congratulations, Aishwarya.
My little hero is here.
Amazing.
Yeah, thank you.
Great. So, wow. So now let's get them out of the spotlight. Great. So now, this was amazing. Now, finally, the ebook and the paperback is published. Finally, it's available on Amazon stores all around the globe. I will be sharing the link for purchase in the next couple of minutes. So gear up and be ready to grab your copy of your ebook. And if you're very excited, just type Date with Fate on the chat box below. So as you do that, the author of Date with Fate, Aishwarya Lakshmi, is a super mom and a power success coach. So what makes her a power success coach? One might wonder. So she has developed her own empowerment formula called Date with Fate based on her life experiences. So this empowerment formula helps every person to turn to their inner voice and listen to it, which enables them to do wonders in life, in every aspect of it. So let's welcome Aishwarya to know what inspired her to write this book. So Aishwarya, I'm going to stuff 3 questions down your throat and I need answers because everybody over here needs an answer from you. So are you ready to give that answer? Yes, let's put Aishwarya on spotlight. Aishwarya, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yes, your video is off.
Yeah, it's on now.
On. Great. Spotlight. Yes, Aishwarya, you're on mute.
Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can. So great. Welcome, Aishwarya. So now it's finally the time where people have been waiting to see your face all this while. Everyone's like, half the people are probably thinking, why am I seeing Akshay so much over here? This is Aishwarya's book launch, right? So now let's finally get you to be on the spotlight and share with every single person. So the first question that I have for you, Aishwarya, is what inspired you to write this book? I'm very curious to know.
Yeah, thank you for the question. So it is my challenges post motherhood that inspired me to write this book. So when I went through a tough phase with a lot of pains, and then when I came out of all of that, the one thing that struck me is the need of the heart is right awareness and the guidance for the timely actions. So I thought that most importantly, mothers out there, most importantly in our culture, mothers don't speak up frankly. We don't even share our experiences within the other mother. So that itself is a major block that we are facing today, because of which we are not getting the enough learnings as well. So what I thought, maybe I can share my experiences vulnerably, so that people out there, a lot of other mothers who can definitely relate to my story, and when they can relate to my story, the solutions that whatever has worked out for me, if at all, it could work out for them as well, to bring them out of their comfort zone to achieve something best that they are meant to achieve in their life, at least one thing, then I think my soul will be satisfied. So that is the basic thing why that inspired me to write this book.
That's great, Aishwarya. Thank you so much for letting everybody over here and also me know that. So now, what message are you truly trying to convey through this book? What is that core thing which you're trying to convey through this book?
See, there is nothing called good fate or bad fate. Okay? Only it is our actions that decides whether our fate is good or bad. If at all we take responsibility of our own life ourselves, and it will be easy for us to win over our challenges and setbacks. It is not that I don't have any challenges at all. Every day I do meet up with a lot of challenges, new things, and I also break my head. But then my intention and perspective, along with the attitude that I have towards life is, yes, it is my life. I need to do something about it. So let me take the responsibility in my hands. If I'm not going to take that, then fate will definitely play in our life. That is what I have mentioned in the book as well, especially for mothers, because we do struggle in the beginning and we do give a good fight. But then when days go by, we eventually end up saying that, okay, let it be. My life is like this. Let me accept it. Let me just live with it. So that attitude is not going to help us, because it just drains our energy forever and ever. We are born in this world to do something. And so let's do it. And why do we have to constrain ourselves saying that it is all fate? Let me take the next step forward and then let the universe decide the rest for us. Oh, there is nothing called fate. Just take action, be responsible.
I completely love that, Aishwarya. In a world where most people would like to rather be the victim than take responsibility, I think that was a beautiful intention and a beautiful answer. So far, everybody, if you think Aishwarya is giving out some brilliant answers, just say, Aishwarya, you rock on the comments. Yeah, just give out some more love for Aishwarya. So, as everybody does that, Aishwarya, I have one last question to ask you. Do I have the permission to ask you?
Please do go ahead.
So now this is one question which I love asking actually any person who ever writes a book. Writing a book has a beautiful experience to it, right? Everybody, it's an experience altogether. People feel like they evolve in this journey. But I'm very curious to see how your evolvement happened in this journey. How was your experience of writing this book?
I feel I have again given birth. Maybe this is a creative birth that I have given. With the amount of emotions, dedication, hard work, and perseverance that I have put in to get this book out, to get the mess of my life into a message and share to this world, the amount of all of these combinations is just equal to giving birth to another physical baby. So I think it requires all of it, because even when I'm not going to be there in this world, this book is going to stay, and it is going to hold some value for others who is going to read it. So I just wanted to give my 100%, and so that I believe God will do the rest for me.
Wow, that was amazing, Aishwarya. That is a great answer. Thank you so much. I'm so glad that you had that experience, and it's a magical one, right? So now every one of you over here, I'm sure you have some questions to ask Aishwarya about her book or something about herself in general that you may be curious about. So if any one of you have any questions, I want you all to just type it down on the comments below, and I will personally ask the question for you. And don't worry if your questions aren't answered. Aishwarya is free after this call. Blow her messages with all your questions. You have my permission. Aishwarya, I speak on your behalf today. Okay. Yeah, so if anybody has any questions, you can ask it, and throughout the session, we'll see how we can bring those questions. So Revati, you just mentioned that if you could speak a few words. Revati, if you have any questions, let's...
I don't have questions. I just have to say a few words about Madam Aishwarya. See, her son was in my school. I really feel so proud of her. Such a simple lady. I never knew that, she's going to bring out this book, because the way she used to bring the child when he was young, she used to every half an hour call me in the daycare and ask, ma'am, சாப்பிட்டாரா, என் குழந்தை சாப்பிட்டாரா, என் குழந்தை பால் குடிச்சாரா, என் குழந்தை எப்படி தெரியுமா, நாங்களே ஒரு மாதிரி அவன் இவ்வளோ அன்பு, அந்த ஒரு மதர்னாலதான் இப்படி ஒரு புக் எழுத முடியும்னா, that is Aishwarya. Hats off, Aishwarya.
Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much. That's great. So now, Aishwarya, we are done with you, and now I'm going to speak something about you. Okay? So now, Aishwarya in this book has not only shared her own experiences and learnings, but also the wisdom of 8 empowered supermoms. And they, just like her, have worked extremely hard to overcome their hardships and challenges. This doesn't mean that they never made mistakes. They did. However, this book will help you shorten your mistakes curve and avoid you to make mistakes that Aishwarya and other supermoms have made during their journey. So now let's invite a handful of those supermoms to share their views of the book. Are you all ready for that? Yeah, so just if you're ready to have those supermoms come over here, just say bring them on. Just type bring them on, and now let's introduce each and every single one of them one by one. Amazing. Great. So now, the first person over here, the first supermom, is called Dr. Gauri Meena. Now, Dr. Gauri Meena is a supermom and one of the top obstetricians and gynecologists at Apollo Specialty Hospitals, Chennai. She also runs a private practice called Women's Choice Clinic in Chennai. So she's very well known for her compassion, commitment, and successful high-risk deliveries. And that's very inspiring. So, Dr. Gauri Meena, I want to quickly put up your hands above, and I will put you on the spotlight for anything that you have to share for Aishwarya, the star of the event today. Let's quickly put her on. Just put your video on.
I'm on.
Yeah?
I'm on.
Great. Let's put you on. Great. Welcome.
Hi. Thank you so much for inviting me. I'm really happy to the extent like it looks like my book is getting delivered here. To such an extent, I'm so happy for you, Aishu. We've known each other for the last 1 year, but it looks like more than that. We've shared our troubles, our happiness, struggles, so many things. And after witnessing a lot of babies getting delivered, I understand that actually the mothers are who are born, not just the babies. And in that way, there is a huge unmet need in this universe. Universe is a favorite word of Aishu, so I'm just using that word. There is a huge unmet need for mothers to ground themselves, to understand themselves, and to bring themselves up, along with bringing up their kids. And I'm sure this book will, it will satisfy or fulfill that vacuum that is existing. And I wish her all luck, and the blessings of divine are always with her. And I just wish every mother, gets an opportunity to learn from this book, apply the principles, and then realize that all moms are super moms. So that is my prayer for you, Aishu. You're going to go to great minds, and there's going to be more feathers in your cap. And I wish you sincerely, and I pray for you, and I love you so much. I want you to know that there are so many super moms who are going to be in praise of your book and your work and everything that you have created. Love you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gauri. Thank you so much.
That was very heartfelt. Thank you so much, Dr. Gauri, for being over here. You spread your energy for Aishwarya's very big, grand day. So now, let's get to introducing the next guest who we have, the next super mom who we have in this room, who's just lying around. Her name is Namita, and she has a very inspiring story which I'll get to. So Namita is a super mom of 2 beautiful children and a communication designer and also a brand consultant. So Namita has designed a novel patented invention called Boond. A novel patented invention called Boond, out of the challenges that she faced in her life. So Boond came out of her second experience when she was having a second child. What happened in that journey was she realized that soon after the child was born, there was trouble with feeding the child. Although the food was going in the mouth, the food used to come right out of the nostrils. For that, something had to be done. So Boond is an additional needs feeder that aims at assisting cleft infants nutritionally through their various feeding challenges. So she decided that because she had this journey, she didn't want anybody else to go through it. And I find that personally extremely inspiring that she did something that could help every single person who ever faces this problem to go through. And her product will be coming out very soon. So now can we all quickly introduce Namita online. And Namita, I'm going to put you on spotlight and we quickly listen to what you have to say. So put your hands up, Namita. Namita, is your video on? Aishwarya, do we have Namita here?
Yeah, just a second. I think she just left.
Okay. So let's invite the third. So I think Namita will be back with us. So before that, there's no worry about it. So let's invite the next super mom. Okay. So now, last but not the least, we have Farhana over here. So Farhana is a super mom of 2 beautiful children. and a thriving multi-dimensional personality. So she's a parenting and a mindset coach who has authored the book Working Moms, You Are Just Wow. Now, WOW stands for Woman of Wonders. She's also an IT professional and an edupreneur. So, Farhana, thank you so much for being over here for such a big part of Aishwarya's journey. I want to quickly put you on to spread your love to Aishwarya.
Thank you, Akshay. Thank you, Aishwarya, for giving this wonderful opportunity to meet the wonderful people of your life, in fact, and for the wonderful moment of your life, in fact. So yes, the journey of me and Aishwarya is almost very similar. Like, you know, she comes from an IT background, I come from an IT background. And yes, we are into parenting. We have been talking a lot about parenting children, you know, how emotionally it is important to connect with children. So as you know, she has rightly said in her book that, you know, the expansion of Date with Fate, you know, you need to be very daring, action taker, transformational, energetic. She is definitely a definition of all of that by herself. And she is like, her book itself talks so much about the mothers, just not the mothers, but I will definitely have to correct that. It is about all the supportive system that help all the mothers to achieve what we want to achieve in our life. Like, you know, how Aishwarya has the most strongest people, like her own husband and the son. Of course, each of us have our own reasons and people behind our success, but definitely, unless otherwise we want to make our fate, we cannot make it. And if we want to break our fate, we will break it. So it is in our hands how to make or break our fates and find our own happiness. So all the very best, Aishwarya, for giving this opportunity to be part of your book, and yes, to be part of your life as such. And the journey is going to be really amazing. And thank you very much once again for this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you so much, Farhana. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, Farhana, for being over here. Thank you for sharing all that. So wonderful, Aishwarya. Now,
Akshay,
yes.
Namita is in waiting room. Could you please admit her?
Awesome.
She's ready.
Done. I'm wondering if I should give Namita an introduction again. I'm just very confused. Okay. So, Namita, you're here. If you're here, you can just unmute yourself. And put
yes, hi. I'm terribly sorry. I think there was some confusion at my end and I didn't realize that I was supposed to sign in. So,
thank you.
That's okay, Namita.
I'm so sorry, Aishwarya, about this.
That's okay. I just gave a full-blown introduction about you and about your patented. I just told everyone about your patented product, about you and your journey of how you came along with it and what happened with your child. And I found that very inspiring personally.
Okay.
So yes. So now I'll quickly put you on spotlight, and you can give out your love for Aishwarya.
Yes, absolutely. Yes. So firstly, I'm really sorry about my absence. I think for the longest time didn't realize that I had to sign in. So good evening, everyone. And thank you so much, Aishwarya, for making me part of your journey and inviting me for this book launch. Heartiest congratulations for this wonderful feat, because I think it takes a special kind of strength and determination to complete a project on this scale or magnitude, so to speak. For me, motherhood is a journey of ups and downs and roundabouts, and it is one where a person, once you embark on the journey of motherhood, you come out of it with various experiences, and I feel like Date with Fate had several relatable touch points which were very relevant to any mother in any situation. And I felt like, Aishwarya, I could, relate to your story, and it resonated with me on so many different levels, because it made me realize that the one thing that binds us all as women. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah, Namita, please go ahead. There are some background voices.
So I mean, okay. So I basically feel that the one thing that binds us women together, whether you're a mother or you're not a mother, is the grit and the determination to come out of a challenging situation and really emerge out of it like the phoenix. So therefore, I mean, I would highly recommend this book to not just women but also men, to allow them a window into what goes on into a woman's mind when she is posed with challenges, and when she comes out of it and takes the people around her on that journey as well. So I would recommend this book to not just mums, not just women, but also men. And yes, I wish you, Aishwarya, and all the mothers who have been a part of this journey the very best, and all the best. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Namita. Thank you.
Thank you so much for those. You're muted. Yeah.
I don't know what happened. Okay.
Go
Sorry. I'm really bad at this.
You and I both. Yeah. Anyways, is there anything else you want to add? Or before I take you on the spot?
No, that's it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Namita. Thank you for being over here.
Thank you so much.
All the kind words.
It was a pleasure. It was a pleasure.
Yes. So great. So now we are coming to the end of this journey. Now I want to finally take the time to announce the lucky winners of the event who were active throughout in the chat and were pouring your blessings and wishes all together. So who all wants to know who the winners are? If you want to know who the winners are, just type in winners. Just type in winners. Tell me the winners. Now, this may disappoint some of you. If you didn't win, it's okay. I would like to tell you it's okay. Great. Few more people in. Come on, let's get in. Amazing. So now I'm going to put it on chat right after I mention it. So the first winner is Meeta. Meeta, congratulations. And the second winner is Bindu. You've been very, very, very active. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you for being so great and spreading so much of love to Aishwarya on a big, big day. So the third person is Priya Chandan. Priya Chandan, congratulations. And the fourth person is Victor. Victor, congratulations. And the fifth person is Suresh Chaudhary. Suresh, congratulations again. So now I'm just going to put it on chat. So all the 5 people who won over here, I'm going to quickly give you the link. You all just drop in your email IDs on the chat box and you will get your free ebook mailed to you right after the book launch. And if you're excited, just say, thank you so much, Aishwarya. This is all Aishwarya is doing. Thank you. I just type in thank you, Aishwarya. Congratulations. Amazing. To the rest of you, I'll send you the link. You can go buy the book. I'm just kidding. Screw with you all. Okay, so now I'm going to send in. Now comes in the final part, right? Now I want to quickly speak about the benefits of this book. How will this book help you, right? How will this book help you? Now, this book, as you said, has 4 aspects. This book works on 4 aspects of your life. Now, if you want to know the 4 aspects, if you're eager to know the 4 aspects, just type in 4 aspects. I'm quickly going to tell it to you right next to it. Just say 4 aspects, everyone. Amazing. Bindu, thank you. You already won the book. Great. 4 aspects. Great. So now, the first one is, this book helps you discover your life blockers and help you become aware of why exactly you're stuck in life. Now, we give ourselves a million reasons as to why we are stuck in life. And as Aishwarya mentioned to what her message was while conveying what she was trying to convey through the book, we leave things to fate. Oh, my fate is not great. Oh, this is not great. But over here, you will be able to discover exactly what the blocks are in your life, and you become more and more aware of where and why you're stuck in life. Now, the second thing which you will learn from this book is it will help you to learn the art of turning your pains into pleasure and break free out of your fate cage to bridge the gap between your expectations and realities, which is extremely important. And the third is it helps you integrate your actions with emotional and situational awareness to transform your thoughts into meaningful actions. And the final one is you will learn how to decode your unique life lessons from your challenges to uplift your life to the next level. You know, a lot of times people think that they have not gone through experiences in life. They think sometimes when you ask people, what's your story? And they say, I don't really have a story to say. I don't have a story to speak. But ladies and gentlemen, every single one of you have a profound story to share in your life. And the last part of this book, that's exactly what you will be learning. You will be learning how to interpret your experiences. It's not that you've not had those experiences, it's about how you interpret them. And you will learn how to decode your unique life lessons from your challenges to uplift your life to the next level. Does this get you excited? Does this journey sound very exciting to you? If it does, type in exciting. Just type in exciting on the chat box. Thank you, Meeta. That's great. So now I'm going to quickly share, as you all mentioned, exciting, I'm going to share her website. So now as we speak about this, if you want, you could simultaneously go and look at Aishwarya's website and check her website out, and you can see everything what the book is about. And right now, every single person who is ordering, as you saw in the trailer, you get a 50% off. And at the same time, you also get to have your ebook at this moment. And I know some of you are thinking, I probably don't want to read an ebook. But you know what? Right? You will get your hard copies in the next couple of weeks. Because right now, I don't need to explain the situation around, but in the next 2 weeks, your hard copies will be just as available as ebooks are to you right now. So go on to her website, aishwaryalakshmi.com, and you will find it. So if you found it on the chat box, you can click it immediately. Yes? I've sent you the link. So at this point, does anybody have any questions before we get to the final part? I just have like room for 2 people, any 2 people who quickly want to ask any questions, to just type it on the chat that you have something to ask, and we'll quickly put you on with Aishwarya before we could end this beautiful book launch and this great day for Aishwarya. So if you have any questions, just put it on the chat and let's get forward. 2 participants raised hand. Great. Can you just put your name on the chat box? Whoever raised your hands. Can you just type on the chat box? Okay, Gauri Meena. So Gauri, do you want to come back? Priya Chandran. Okay, so Priya, just can you switch on your video and I'll quickly put you on spotlight for you to ask the question. Priya, are you here with me?
Hi. Hello.
Yeah, great. Let me put you on spotlight.
I can't see. Okay, I can see myself. Hi, Aishwarya. I'm from Bromley. Nice to see you finally. I've been reading all about your journey on Instagram as well. So I just wanted to know, I know what inspired you, but how did you actually find the time to do it with a child in tow? And then obviously the whole journey, how long did it take for you?
Yeah, as I told you, thank you so much for coming up and asking this question. So it took around 10 months. As I told you, yes, I have eventually given birth to a creative child, 10 whole months. So I might say I've done that, this and all of it, but eventually the truth is, with the support system strong behind you, you can do anything. The basic need for anybody is we have to communicate well with our support systems, and they have to agree to it, and it is like bonding. So with the power support on and with the inspiration and the motivation within, it is possible.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Aishwarya, for answering that question. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Support from your family.
Priya, your voice is low. Priya, we can't hear you.
We can't hear you.
We can't hear you. Now, can you speak again? No, you're muted. You're muted, Priya.
And now?
Now you're muted. Now you can go forward.
Just saying that the family support that you have, like you're globally supported. So I'm sure you will get all the blessings from your precious family members and all the very best from all of us in London as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Good luck. Good luck. It was a pleasure to be here and see how it all unraveled. The launch was amazing. And I think Akshay has done a great job as well. So well done.
Thank you so much, Priya. Thank you for asking the question. Thank you for the love.
Thank you so much, Priya.
Yeah, Abhinaya wanted to ask a question. One final question. We won't take too long with this. Abhinaya, are you still on? If you can put your video on, just put your hands up. I'll put you on immediately. If anybody else has questions, put your hands on. If you do it before Abhinaya, I might let you in.
Hi.
Abhinaya, great. Let me put you on.
Hi, Abhinaya.
Hi, Aishu. So I just wanted to personally congratulate you. I don't have any questions. So that's why I'm here. Congratulations. And this girl cheated on me. She told that she doesn't have real support. But I'm so happy looking at this launch team, how much great support she has. And I'm sure this book is going to be a bestseller. So wishes from me and as well as my hero.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Abhi. Thank you for coming in and wishing me. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Abhinaya. Thank you for your love. Now, I'm just going to put myself back on spotlight. And okay, so as we are nearing the end of this session, I just realized that I made the most rookie mistake ever. I forgot to introduce who I am. So my name is Akshay Tarada over here. I'm a life transformation coach and an emotional intelligence trainer. And I'm a very good friend of Aishwarya's, and this was very last minute, and I decided to host this session to all of you. So I hope you all had a great experience in this session over here. And that's just a little about me. I don't want to give a bigger introduction than this. So now I want to quickly put the spotlight back to Aishwarya, who is the heroine of the day, and quickly proceed forward for the vote of thanks and all the gratitude that Aishwarya has for all of you who have attended the session today. So Aishwarya, are you ready?
Yeah.
Great, let's put you on.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Akshay. First and foremost, I am willing to share my gratitude for God for using me as a medium to convey my mess into a message in this world. And the second most important person that I'm willing to shower my gratitude with is my husband. My deepest gratitude and thanks to him, Karthikeyan, and my son Muthukumaran, because as Jyotsna told, it is just 10 months that we are in this new country, and all these 10 months I were into this project. So the commitment that I had towards the project, they definitely understood me 100%, and they gave the power support that I needed throughout day and night. That helped me to bring this project out to the world so soon. And I'm willing to share my deepest gratitude to all the well-wishers, my mentors, my parents, my in-laws, my siblings. Everybody blessed me throughout. And they didn't understand what that I'm about to do, but still they just supported me blindly and told, yes, you can do it. Yes, you will do it. You can go ahead and do it. It's your life. Live it to your fullest. So I'm so fortunate that I'm having such good people, blessed with such good people. So I really wish everybody else can also create such good support systems in your life. Just take responsibility of your life and then do it. That is it. So I heartfully willing to thank my support system, especially Happy Self Publishing and their team, and also ASA Community, Author Success Academy, for helping me to get all my dreams into reality. Most importantly, I would like to thank each one of you who have been here, making my journey so meaningful today. Thank you, and I bow down to each one of you today for being here. Thank you so much. And I really wish, please do buy the book, purchase it, and leave your review comments in Amazon so that it will be easy for us to take the message of the book to the masses. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. And with that vote of thanks, I want to quickly tell you that we are at the end of the session right now. And thank you so much for being over here. So many of you have continued till, you stayed from start till the very end, and you've showed your love throughout the session. The chat box has exploded, and that's made, I'm sure that's made Aishwarya. I've seen Aishwarya smile each time your messages were in there. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, every single person, for being over here. And now with this, we finally end with the book launch. So I wanted to quickly just go to Aishwarya's website, take a look, see what works out for you, and I hope you really buy this book. Not just for if you're, it doesn't matter. As Namita rightly mentioned, it's not just for the men, it's not just for the women, but it's also for the men to read, because every man should know what a woman has to go through and what a woman really does and what a woman can do. Because we need, in the country where we live in, we need more people who can actually support their wives and make them more and more empowered. And you can make that possible. So wives and husbands, go after it and go bombard her website. Thank you so much for being, everyone. I sign out right now. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Akshay, there's a special mention to you. Thank you so much. Last minute, we did this. So you were you are with me. You had that emotional connect as well. Thank you so much for doing this show so diligently. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Let's take a photo together. Aishwarya, quickly take a photo of everyone. Everyone, can you put your videos on before we leave? We just want to have a beautiful moment with all of you over here. Thank you. That was pretty quick. Everyone, come on. All the videos on. Great. Mr. Shaktivel, if you're here, put your video on. We would love to have the family as well in the photo. Oh, okay, the kids. Great. So everyone, can you just quickly put your video on? Great. So now we're set. Let's click it. Amazing. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for being over here. Now, before we end this, let's just give out 3 claps for Aishwarya, okay? Just 3 claps for Aishwarya. Can we do that? Let's leave it with the energy that we got inside. 3 claps. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you for being over here. Please do visit Aishwarya's website and do buy the book. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, dear Namita. Thank you so much.